Welcome back to AuthAndPay Starter Kit. In this tutorial, we'll integrate authentication with GitHub, allowing users to log in seamlessly using their GitHub accounts. By the end of this video, you'll have GitHub OAuth fully configured and ready to use in your application. Let's get started. The next provider to integrate is GitHub. Now, go back to the application. We have enabled GitHub Authentication, and if we log out at this moment, you'll see a new option to log in with GitHub. However, clicking it won't do anything yet because we haven't set up the correct client ID and client secret for this integration. To configure this, go to the GitHub account where you want to create the OAuth application. Navigate to Settings, then Applications, then Authorized OAuth Apps, and finally, My OAuth Apps. Click New Application to register a new OAuth app. Give it a name, fill in the required values, and click Register Application. Now you'll receive a client ID. Copy it and paste it into the appropriate field in your application settings. Next, generate a client secret. Copy it and add it as well. With these values now in place, you need to restart the application for the changes to take effect. Now that the application has restarted, go back to the platform and try logging in with GitHub. Since this is the first time using GitHub OAuth, you'll see a screen requesting authorization to connect your account. Once you approve, you're successfully logged in. At this point, you are logged in as a basic user, meaning you have limited access. You can check your profile, but you won't see any additional features yet. And that's how you integrate GitHub authentication into AuthAndPay. With this setup, users can now log in securely using their GitHub accounts. In the next tutorial, we'll explore integrating another provider to give your users even more flexibility. Make sure to subscribe and start using AuthAndPay today. Visit AuthAndPay.com to get started. See you in the next video.